He is a foreigner. He is a Chinese national, and allegedly, based from the reports that I have received, he fled the country and he is now in Taiwan. I heard that he is the boss of all the bosses of Pogo. If you remember, ang sabi ni Alice Go, yun daw nag-facilitate nung kanyang pagtakas, sinabihan daw niya ng hindi magandang salita. So I asked her, kung sinabihan mo siya ng hindi magandang salita, bakit siya nagpatakas sa'yo? Ba't siya nagpahiram ng yate sa'yo? So ang aking conclusion doon, malamang siguro, kaya siguro itinaka si Alice Go papunta sa ibang bansa, baka ikanta niya ito nag-facilitate ng kanyang pagtakas. Bigay ko na lang kay Senator Risa yung freedom para siya na siguro maglabas ng pangalan, because I am not the chairman of the Committee on Women.